Hey homeowners, hope you're having an inspiring day. Welcome back to MF Home TV. Thank you so much for watching last week's episode and for leaving your likes and comments. We truly appreciate each and every one of them. If you haven't seen the episode, don't worry, we will leave the link right here. Before we begin, please support our channel with a subscribe and hit the notification bell below so you don't miss any of our new uploads. Of course, if you leave a like and a comment, that would be much appreciated. For today's episode, we will be sharing budget-friendly hacks that you can easily do to give your space, be it your home, office, apartment, or wherever you're currently staying, a more personalized touch. We read the comments so we know some of you folks have completed a couple of redecoration, DIY, and home hack projects, which is great because we have been mostly home for more than a year now, and keeping busy really helps keep our mind off the current situation. Anyway, we hope you're doing well, and hey, we want to see those projects, whether they're works in progress or end products. You know what to do? Tag us on our social media accounts. With that said, here are 8 budget-friendly hacks that we can easily do to give our space a fresh new look. First off, paint. Updating an old wall is by far the biggest change you can make to a space. It's easy and not at all expensive, and this makes a huge transformation. This can totally give a fresh new vibe. We suggest you try and pick neutral colors though. This way it won't contradict with your existing furniture pieces, and you may also opt for an accent wall and apply a different color. MF tip, take a good look at your space and notice what color you see the most, and you can start from there. Picking the color of the paint is just the first part. The next thing you have to choose is the finish. And that, my dear homeowners, is another important decision you have to make. The flat and eggshell finish work best for interior walls because they leave a zero-less sheen, which makes them soft on the eyes as well as on IG photos and videos. I can totally relate to that. And I would love to spend more time discussing the different paint finishes, but I think we will leave that for another episode. Personally, hopping into new beddings is one of the best feelings. And by new, I mean freshly washed and ironed. The smell, the texture, Our bed is the focal point of our bedroom, and what better way to set a fresh mood than to change your beddings? You don't necessarily have to buy a complete set of sheets, but instead introduce a new pattern or different shades of color through a fleece blanket or an accent pillow or pillowcases, so long as it matches your existing beddings. Yes, this trick is super fun and easy. I know a couple of friends who love collecting doorknobs and handles, and I didn't understand it at first. Why would anyone want to collect doorknobs and handles? But lo and behold, I completely see the magic. By simply changing the handles of your cabinets, nightstands, desks, drawers, or changing your doorknobs, it automatically gives a bold statement. I swear this trick is really a good one. Adding or changing the art piece to your wall can definitely create an interesting visual impact. It's the very first thing we see when you walk into a room. Mandawi Foam has a ton of different art pieces to choose from, with different styles, sizes, and material. Or why not create your own art piece? Get that inner creativity working. How about updating your sofa with new accent pillows? This is always fun. It feels like buying a top or a bag to give yourself a whole new look. Just remember to follow the rules in styling a sofa, which we were able to share with you before, and you'll do great. Pick a color scheme, play with texture and pattern, use different sizes, work with odd numbers. Another thing we can use to spice up any room is a throw blanket. There are so many different styles and sizes of throws nowadays, and these babies just help create an even more inviting look to your space. Just make sure to pick the right color or texture that goes well with your decor. There is a really big difference between looking at a cluttered space and an organized one. Invest in some nice storage boxes, trays, containers. These can help consolidate a lot of random items and at the same time give your area a calm feeling. Redo your ugly surfaces with the use of waterproof contact papers, be it your kitchen sink, countertops, nightstands, drawers, whatever you think that needs a makeover. There are so many available contact papers out there and they are so easy to use. And what's great about it is you can easily take them out in case you feel like changing it to a new one. We hope this video helped inspire you new ways to update your space a little. We would love to see your projects, so don't forget to tag us. And thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to follow our social media accounts and support our channel with a subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. And of course, leave this video a like and a comment. That will be much appreciated. I'll see you in the next episode. This is Zia, inspiring your home. Comment of the week. Congratulations to last week's winner. This week's prize